In this video, let's explore the kill command, a fundamental utility in Linux for managing processes. It allows you to send signals to processes, giving you control over their behavior and, most commonly, their termination. Join me as we delve into the power and versatility of the kill command. The primary purpose of the kill command is to send signals to running processes. While it is most frequently used to terminate processes, it can also be employed to control their behavior by sending various signals. The kill command is an essential part of the process management toolkit in Linux. The standard format of the kill command is kill followed by options and then the process ID, often shortened to PID. It is possible to specify multiple process IDs to kill multiple processes at once. If no signal is specified, SIGTERM, which is signal 15, is sent by default. It's very important to know that the kill command requires the process ID to work. The kill command operates by sending signals to processes. Let's discuss some of the most common signals you'll encounter. SIGHUP, signal number 1, often used to tell a process to reload its configuration file. SIGINT, signal number 2, is the interrupt signal, the same as pressing Ctrl+C in the terminal. SIGKILL, signal number 9, will immediately kill a process. This signal cannot be caught or ignored by the process. SIGTERM, signal number 15, is the terminate signal. This is the default signal sent by the kill command, which requests the process to terminate gracefully. SIGKILL, signal number 18, it tells a stopped process to continue or resume execution. SIGSTOP, signal number 19, pauses a process. This signal cannot be ignored by the process. It is important to note that you can use the command killall to list all available signals on your system. This command will display a comprehensive list of signal names and their corresponding numbers. Let's explore some common examples of using the kill command. To terminate a process with the process ID 1234, you would simply type kill 1234. This sends the default terminate signal, which is SIGTERM. The equivalent of the above command is to type kill, then -15, followed by the process ID 1234. To force kill a stubborn process, you can use the SIGKILL signal. The command is kill -91234. Alternatively, you can use the signal name kill 1234. To kill multiple processes at once, simply provide multiple process IDs to the command. For example, kill 123456789012. To force kill multiple processes, use the -9 option followed by the list of process IDs. Finally, to see a list of all available signals, type killall. This will output a list of signal names and their corresponding numbers. Before you can use the kill command, you need to know the process ID, or PID, of the process you want to terminate or control. Let's explore some commands to find these process IDs. The ps command allows you to list processes. psaux lists all the currently running processes. To find a specific process, you can pipe the output of psaux to grep. For example, psaux pipegrep Firefox will list any processes with the name Firefox. Top or top commands. These provide an interactive process viewer. Top is an enhanced version of top. The pgrep command allows you to find the process ID by the process name. For example, grep Firefox will output the process IDs of any processes named Firefox. To find the process ID with full command details, use pgrep a Firefox. The pidof command finds the process ID by the exact process name. For example, pidof Firefox will output the process IDs. A pro tip: you can combine pgrep with kill for quick termination. For example, kill then in parentheses pgrep Firefox will kill all processes named Firefox. Let's explore some advanced techniques using the kill command. Kill is a command that kills processes by name. For example, kill Firefox will kill all processes named Firefox. You can specify a signal with pill. For example, pill-9 Firefox will force kill all Firefox processes. The killall command kills all instances of a process by name. For example, killall Firefox will kill all processes named Firefox. To force kill all instances, use killall-9 Firefox. You can also kill processes by process group using SIGTERM, followed by a negative sign and the process group ID. Finally, you can use command substitution to kill processes. For example, kill then in parentheses pgrep Firefox will kill all processes named Firefox. This is similar to the kill command combined with pgrep, as discussed earlier. Let's explore some real-world scenarios where the kill command can be useful. To reload a configuration, you can send the SIGHUP signal to a process. For example, killall followed by pidof Nginx will reload the Nginx web server configuration. To freeze and unfreeze a process temporarily, you can use the stop and cont signals. For example, kill stop 1234 will pause the process with the ID 1234, and kill cont 1234 will resume it. To kill an unresponsive application, you can use the pill command with the -9 option. For example, pill-9 Firefox will force quit all Firefox processes. To create a cleanup script, you can kill all processes of a specific user with pill u followed by the username. For example, pill u username will kill all processes owned by that user. To use the kill command safely, let's review some best practices and safety tips. Always try SIGTERM first. Attempting a graceful termination before resorting to SIGKILL can prevent data loss. Always verify process IDs and double-check the process IDs before sending any signals. Give processes time to exit. Allow processes time to clean up before escalating signals. Avoid terminating root processes as being cautious when terminating system processes can prevent system instability. A warning: using SIGKILL, which is -9, prevents processes from cleaning up resources and can lead to data corruption, orphaned temporary files, or locked resources. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.